Hi guys, and welcome to this new video. In this video I would like to talk about new WordPress personal data tools, Exporter and Eraser. Let's try personal data exporter first. According to the new GDPR law, if someone requested all his personal data your website keeps, you must provide it in a clear way. Thanks WordPress for his beautiful tools, which can save you tons of time. Well, I'm going to send an export request to my test email. There is a user with this email on the website, and also there are two comments. Okay, here is the confirmation. By the way, if you want to change the content of the confirmation email, there is a hook for that. More info is below this video. So, confirming the request. Great, the request status has been changed. Let's check it out in the exporter tools. Now we are able to download the personal data file or to send it to the user by email. Let's do both of things. Here is the export file. As you can see, everything is clear. Here is two comments and user information. If we check the inbox now, we will see that the same file has been sent by email. We can download it by this link. Pretty cool. But what if you have a custom plugin that collects some other personal data? Okay, there is a hook for that. It allows to extend the exporter functionality and to add more data to it. Let's come back to WordPress admin. Okay, let's say that we have a customly coded orders post type, and the orders connected to user emails with custom fields, like that. We have a custom field, customer email, and its value is the email. Our task is to add these orders custom post types to the exporter file. You can find the code examples in my tutorial. Here is the code. I made it especially for my custom post type. Let's insert this code to the child theme functions file. Editor. It's my current theme. Coming back to the export tool. Okay. We have to remove the previous request first. Okay. Here is the confirmation. And what we see now is that orders are also included. Great!